Hello, advanced learners. I'm Emma. Today's lesson is special. We will begin at strong C1 level, confident, clear, professional English. Then slowly, step by step, we will move toward light C2 level, smoother, more natural, more precise. You will feel the difference. This lesson is not about difficult vocabulary. It is about sounding natural, confident, and controlled. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. Part 1. Strong C1. Clear and confident speaking. First time, natural speed. Second time, slightly faster. I can explain my ideas clearly and confidently. Repeat again. I can explain my ideas clearly and confidently. I organize my thoughts before I speak. Repeat again. I organize my thoughts before I speak. I feel comfortable discussing complex topics. Repeat again. I feel comfortable discussing complex topics. I express my opinions in a structured way. Repeat again. I express my opinions in a structured way. I support my ideas with clear examples. Repeat again. I support my ideas with clear examples. I remain calm during discussions. Repeat again. I remain calm during discussions. I listen carefully before responding. Repeat again. I listen carefully before responding. I can explain difficult ideas in simple words. Repeat again. I can explain difficult ideas in simple words. I speak with confidence and clarity. Repeat again. I speak with confidence and clarity. I trust my ability to communicate effectively. Repeat again. I trust my ability to communicate effectively. Good. Strong communication begins with clarity. Part 2. Natural advanced conversation. Deep breath. Clear voice. Natural rhythm. From my point of view, this is an important issue. Repeat again. From my point of view, this is an important issue. There are several factors we should consider. Repeat again. There are several factors we should consider. I believe this approach could be effective. Repeat again. I believe this approach could be effective. At the same time, we should be cautious. Repeat again. At the same time, we should be cautious. This solution seems practical and realistic. Repeat again. This solution seems practical and realistic. I understand your concern, and I agree partly. Repeat again. I understand your concern and I agree partly. Let's look at the bigger picture. Repeat again. Let's look at the bigger picture. In the long run, this may bring better results. Repeat again. In the long run, this may bring better results. We need to think carefully before making a decision. Repeat again. We need to think carefully before making a decision. Clear thinking leads to clear speaking. Repeat again. Clear thinking leads to clear speaking. Great! You are speaking at advanced level. Part 3. Transition towards C2, smooth and polished. First time, natural speed. Second time, slightly faster. I choose my words carefully to avoid misunderstanding. Repeat again. I choose my words carefully to avoid misunderstanding. I adjust my tone depending on the situation. Repeat again. I adjust my tone depending on the situation. I can summarize complex information clearly. Repeat again. I can summarize complex information clearly. I explain my reasoning step by step. Repeat again. I explain my reasoning step by step. I remain confident even when challenged. Repeat again. I remain confident even when challenged. I handle disagreements respectfully. Repeat again. I handle disagreements respectfully. I express uncertainty without losing confidence. Repeat again. I express uncertainty without losing confidence. I communicate clearly under pressure. Repeat again. I communicate clearly under pressure. My speech sounds natural and professional. Repeat again. My speech sounds natural and professional. I am refining my communication every day. Repeat again. I am refining my communication every day. Amazing! This is where fluency becomes refinement. Part 4. Advanced story practice. First time, natural speed. Second time, slightly faster. Daniel was already fluent in English, but he wanted to sound more natural. Repeat again. Daniel was already fluent in English, but he wanted to sound more natural. He noticed that sometimes he spoke too quickly. Repeat again. He noticed that sometimes he spoke too quickly. He decided to focus on clarity and tone. Repeat again. He decided to focus on clarity and tone. He practiced organizing his ideas before speaking. Repeat again. He practiced organizing his ideas before speaking. During meetings, he spoke calmly and clearly. Repeat again. During meetings, he spoke calmly and clearly. He avoided using unnecessary filler words. Repeat again. He avoided using unnecessary filler words. Gradually, his speech became smoother. Repeat again. Gradually, his speech became smoother. His colleagues noticed his confidence. Repeat again. His colleagues noticed his confidence. He felt more relaxed during discussions. Repeat again. He felt more relaxed during discussions. Daniel realized that refinement makes a difference. Repeat again. Daniel realized that refinement makes a difference. Great job. Polish transforms fluency into confidence. Part 5. C2. Precision and control. Deep breath. Steady rhythm. Confident tone. I communicate complex ideas with ease. Repeat again. I communicate complex ideas with ease. I remain composed in challenging conversations. Repeat again. I remain composed in challenging conversations. I express subtle differences in meaning clearly. Repeat again. I express subtle differences in meaning clearly. I respond thoughtfully rather than emotionally. Repeat again. I respond thoughtfully rather than emotionally. I adapt smoothly to different communication styles. Repeat again. I adapt smoothly to different communication styles. I speak persuasively without sounding aggressive. Repeat again. I speak persuasively without sounding aggressive. I maintain clarity even in fast discussions. Repeat again. I maintain clarity even in fast discussions. One project confidence through my voice. Repeat again. One project confidence through my voice. I sound natural, fluent, and professional. Repeat again. I sound natural, fluent, and professional. I operate at a highly advanced level. Repeat again. I operate at a highly advanced level. Amazing. This is confident advanced English. Final challenge mode. Now repeat without reading. I speak clearly and confidently. I organize my ideas effectively. I remain calm under pressure. I express my thoughts precisely. I trust my advanced fluency. Excellent. You started at strong C1. Now you are operating at refined C2 level. Closing. Today was about refinement. Not bigger words. Not complicated language. But control. Clarity. Confidence. This is the difference between speaking well and speaking exceptionally well. Practice daily. Refine slowly. Trust your progress. This is Emma. Keep refining. Keep growing. And continue mastering your voice. Thanks for watching.